Comfort and stability matter when long hours on the water demand reliable seating support. Best kayak seats for back support help reduce fatigue, improve posture, and enhance paddling performance during recreational or extended kayaking trips for all experience levels worldwide. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. RELIANCER Cushioned Kayak Seat. The RELIANCER Cushioned Kayak Seat is designed for paddlers who prioritize long-term back support and all-day comfort on the water. Built with durable UV-resistant neoprene and 600D polyester, this seat is engineered to withstand harsh marine conditions while maintaining flexibility and softness. Inside, the EVA foam combined with a PE support plate delivers noticeably thicker cushioning than many standard kayak seats, making a significant difference during extended paddling or fishing sessions. The contoured, non-slip seat surface enhances stability and safety, especially in wet conditions, while the marine-grade materials ensure excellent waterproof performance. One of its strongest features is the tall ergonomic backrest, which supports the lower and mid-back effectively, helping reduce strain and fatigue over time. The shock-absorbing foam structure minimizes impact from choppy water, allowing smoother, more comfortable rides. Ventilation channels help manage heat and moisture, keeping paddlers cool and dry. The included detachable zipper storage bag adds practical value, offering convenient space for small gear, snacks, or personal items.
Number 2. Trymaker Inflatable Kayak Seat. The Trymaker Inflatable Kayak Seat stands out for its cloud-like comfort and modern ergonomic design, making it an excellent option for paddlers seeking reduced fatigue during long outings. Featuring a 3-layer construction and nearly 2 inches of thickness, the seat provides soft yet supportive cushioning that adapts well to the body. The high back design is reinforced with a rigid PE board, offering strong lumbar support that helps maintain proper posture and reduces pressure on the lower back. This structure is particularly beneficial for extended paddling sessions, where consistent back support is essential. The underside includes hook and loop fastening to prevent shifting, ensuring the seat stays firmly in place even during active movement. Durability is another key strength, with zinc alloy buckles that resist corrosion and reinforced straps designed for long-term use in wet environments. Adjustable straps allow users to fine-tune the seating angle for personalized comfort. The integrated PVC storage bag provides ample space for essentials such as first aid supplies or personal items, protected by water-resistant fabric. Number 3. HLOGREE Thicken Kayak Seat. The HLOGREE Thicken Kayak Seat is built for paddlers who need reliable support and enhanced comfort for extended water activities. Constructed with UV-resistant neoprene and tough 600D polyester, the seat is designed to endure regular exposure to sun and water without compromising performance. Inside, thick EVA foam paired with a PE plate delivers firm yet comfortable cushioning that effectively absorbs shock and reduces pressure on the hips and lower back. The generously padded seat and backrest provide a couch-like feel, allowing users to remain comfortable throughout a full day of kayaking or fishing. Its ergonomic high backrest is shaped to follow the natural curve of the spine, promoting proper posture and minimizing fatigue during long sessions. Installation is straightforward, with 4 adjustable straps that securely attach to most kayaks and boats, allowing users to fine-tune the fit for optimal support. The non-slip seat surface adds stability, especially in wet conditions. A detachable, water-resistant zipper storage bag adds convenience, offering space for small accessories or personal items. Overall, the HLOGREE Thicken Kayak Seat delivers solid construction, strong back support, and user-friendly features that make it a practical upgrade for comfort-focused paddlers. Number 4. Montekin Fishing Kayak Seat. The Montekin Fishing Kayak Seat is specifically designed to address back, waist, and hip discomfort often experienced during long fishing or paddling sessions. Its thickened EVA foam padding focuses on enhancing support in high-pressure areas,
helping reduce fatigue caused by prolonged sitting on hard kayak surfaces. The seat's ergonomic shape promotes a natural sitting posture, making it easier to remain comfortable during extended use. Aesthetically, the streamlined design gives it a premium automotive-inspired look that blends seamlessly with modern kayaks. Functional details further enhance performance, including deep channels in the seat base that assist with water drainage, keeping the seating area drier. The seat attaches securely using durable hooks and 4 adjustable straps, allowing users to customize positioning for their preferred sitting angle. Stability and reliability are key strengths, especially during active fishing movements. The included detachable storage bag, coated with water-resistant material, offers practical storage for tools, tackle, or personal items.
Number 5. RELIANCER Canoe Kayak Seat. The RELIANCER Canoe Kayak Seat is a heavy-duty option designed for paddlers who require maximum back support and thick cushioning for extended water sports. With an upgraded seat cushion thickness of 2.36 inches and a reinforced backrest measuring 1.69 inches, this seat provides substantial padding that effectively absorbs shock and reduces strain on the back and hips. The contoured padded backrest promotes proper posture, while the added ABS support board significantly enhances structural stability, giving the back a firm, supportive feel during long kayaking sessions. This design helps minimize discomfort and supports sustained activity without fatigue. The 4-way adjustable reinforced straps allow precise customization, ensuring a secure and personalized fit on a wide range of kayaks and canoes. Beyond comfort, the seat includes additional kayak accessories, increasing its overall value and practicality. The durable construction and thoughtful reinforcement make it suitable for demanding conditions, including fishing and touring. Overall, the RELIANCER Canoe Kayak Seat delivers exceptional cushioning, strong back support, and versatile adjustability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.